Now here is how you can delete a YouTube channel permanently and instantly. Let me show you and guide you with it. Or you can just hide the YouTube channel. So this is a YouTube channel of mine. Let me guide you with it. Open your studio.youtube.com, log in into your account and select your channel, whatever you want to delete. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So it's this, like these are all the channels and I'm deleting this one, Kunal Vartha. So here simply get into this settings option. Now right in the settings you would find a channel. As you can see this, tap on the channel. Let me just lock the focus and tap on advanced settings. Here you have to scroll down to the bottom, tap on remove YouTube content. It will open a new, completely new tab. Just like this, you have to enter your password for the email. So let me just do it. so so we have completed, entered the password. Let's tap on next. So this will log in into your Google account and the channel that you are going to delete. Now here is the thing, you are about to hide or delete your YouTube content for Kunal Vartha. Please choose any one options. Now if you want to hide your content, like no one can see your channel, no one can watch your videos, so these are all the public videos that will be made private if you just do this and hide my content. But if you want to delete your channel, YouTube channel permanently, so this is how you can do it. So tap on I want to permanently delete my YouTube content, select this. The following will be permanently deleted: your videos, subscription, subscribers, comments, gift settings, search, watch history. And if you want to delete your subscription like YouTube Premium or anything like that, do it. And here is a delete button, tap on delete and confirm this. So just after doing this, you would easily find that your YouTube account is successfully deleted within 2 to 3 minutes and all your content will be removed from YouTube servers.